All right, so the most important thing about your maintenance on your heating and air conditioning system is safety. So we've got roughly 30 bullet points of the 90 that we identify on our performance report that specifically identify safety. And it's things we're looking for like carbon monoxide in your home if you have gas, or God forbid, a gas leak. Number 2 thing you want to think about is maintaining efficiency. Now, when your unit's not performing efficiently, most of the time it's because of dirt. These things, the outdoor units get really dirty, the indoor units, your filters, just basic stuff. Even your blower wheels getting dirty is something that we really need to think about cleaning. Number 3 thing you might want to think about, extending the life of your unit. If you want to get the maximum life out of your heating and air conditioning system, maintenance is the best way to do it. And last but not least, you want to prevent a breakdown. 90% of breakdowns can be prevented, and they're almost always caused by dirt. So you don't want to find yourself hot in the summer or cold in the winter. So make sure you get a maintenance just to prevent the breakdown. So why are we talking about all this? People call in constantly asking for a maintenance on their system. Well, did you know that your system needs to be maintained not just once, but twice a year? Once in the spring or summer, once for air conditioning, and then once again for heating. So what we've developed is what we call our club membership. So what that includes is 2 complimentary visits so we can maintain the warranty of your unit and make sure you don't have any breakdowns. Next, what we do is we give you a 15% discount on any indoor air quality products, duct cleaning, even repairs. You'll receive priority treatment and 24-hour guaranteed service. Here at Rescue Air, we're not just fast and fair with your repair, we also care.